Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening DeepSeek and signing in. Make sure 2FA is active for security. Next, choose a concise goal. State what you want and why, then add context like audience, tone, and output format. Once done, adjust model controls. Set temperature lower for precision, length limit to avoid truncation, and confirm the knowledge cutoff date so results match expectations. These first steps reduce guesswork and let the chatbot generate focused, useful answers right away. Once you have a draft prompt, refine it with examples and explicit constraints. This helps the model follow your structure. Use a system message to set persona or style, then feed user messages with specific data or edge cases. If output is off, ask for a revision. Request bullet summaries, code blocks, or stepwise workflows. Make sure to break complex jobs into subtasks and iterate. Each pass narrows ambiguity, improves accuracy, and saves time when you need precise, actionable result. To finish, validate the chatbot's output. Verify facts, run small tests, and confirm formatting matches your delivery needs. Then export or integrate results. Copy text, download JSON, or call the API with your key for automation. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Simplify the prompt, reset the conversation context, or lower temperature and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if persistent errors appear, replicate the issue with a minimal example and use that to debug prompts or escalate to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.